Hello guys, welcome back again to MJ Crypto, and like I always do, I post hot trading strategies for Binance futures trading. I make them, I backtest them, I make consistent profit. I come back here, teach you the same thing, hoping you do what I've taught you and make the same result. So today I'm going to be teaching you about the volume, okay? Volume trading, how to use the volume of the market to make precise decisions when making your trade. So if you're actually new here, I want you to subscribe to this channel so you don't miss out on important updates that I'll be dropping consecutively in the next coming days. All right. So the very first thing I want to tell you is that in the financial markets, there's one information that controls everything. Okay. And that information is how much buyers we have in the market and how much sellers we have in the market currently trading. The moment you can decipher and understand these fundamentals, okay, it's going to aid your trading journey. It's going to make you a professional actually. Okay, knowing how much buyers you have in the market and how much sellers you have in the market, that is just one important information you need to know, because the direction of the trend is a function of the volume of the market. All right, the direction of the trend is a function of the volume of the market. Okay, so now brace yourself up. I'll be teaching you how to use this simple but very effective strategy. Okay, my name is Emmanuel and we're about kicking off. So right here we're on a Binance app and this is a Solano BUSD pair. Okay, now I want to just quickly say something. In the financial markets, listen attentively to what I'm saying. It's going to help you. In the financial market, there's what we call the smart money and the dumb money. Okay, the smart money are those who buy an asset when the price is very, very low and sell when the price is high. In other words, they have access to information at an early stage. Now, the dumb money, D-U-M-B, dumb money refers to those people who jump onto an asset when the price is already at its peak. Okay, when the price is already so high and they buy. So in other words, the smart money sells into the dumb money. All right, so this is another fundamentals you need to understand, and you can only understand this by knowing the volume of the market. So the RSI, which is a relative strength index, will teach you, or rather show you, what is going on. Or if you do not want to go through that route, you can just simply use your volume indicator here on Binance. Okay, just toggle it on, your volume, toggle it on, your volume indicator. So now heading into the strategy, let's proceed. Here on the Binance app, you can see we have Solano BUSD. Now I want to show you something. Let me bring something to your notice. You can see here this volume section, right? This volume section, you can see we have red and green. We can see red and green. Okay, the red is signifying a selling pressure and the green is signifying a buying pressure. Now what do you see here in the 1 hour time frame of this chart? You can see clearly that the red candles are more than the green candles. All right, and not just that, you can also see that the red candles are higher than the green candles. Now that is telling you that the smart money is selling into the dumb money. Okay, the smart money is selling what? Into the dumb money. In other words, those who bought the price of Solano at a very cheap rate are actually selling it now to those who are just coming in to buy. And you can see here the candles of the green, or rather the length of the green here in the volume side section are actually short, very short. So this is to tell you that it is retail traders who are buying Solano right now. Okay, retail traders like you and I who do not have so much money, who are not institutional traders, let me put it that way, they are the ones buying into Solano right now, hoping that the price is going to go up. Okay, but here's what happens when they keep buying. In other words, when the smart money keeps selling into the dumb money now, which is the retail traders most times, begin to get scared. They start getting scared, and then they see, oh man, we can't make this anymore, we've bought at the wrong time. Instead of leaving the money there to appreciate, instead of leaving the coins there to appreciate, they now start panic selling. They begin to panic sell. they begin to panic sell. In other words, they bought at a high price and now they are selling at a low price. That is what we call FOMO. Now, to use this simple strategy, ensure that you have your EMA set up. If you don't know how to set up your EMA, set up your EMA here. Just go to indicators. Go to indicators here. Select EMA. Set the first and the second. Set the first at 50. Set the second at 200. So you have a fast moving EMA and you have a slow moving EMA. The fast one is the 50 EMA and the slow one is the 200 EMA. All right. So you click on confirm. Just edit the settings and do that. All right. Good. So we're back here. After doing that, I want to show you a particular point whereby we have a high selling pressure. So we're going to be using price action strategy and the volume. Okay, so price action and volume, in other words, candlestick patterns and volume, is what we'll be using to decipher the exact point where buyers are stepping in and to know the exact point where sellers are stepping in. Now, there will be a link in the description of this video to join my premium class where I teach these things for free. All right. So there will be a link in the description sending you straight to my DM. Just contact me. I would respond swiftly. All right. Now, if you see the high volume and it's showing red, that is a quick confirmation that the smart money are actually selling in the higher time frame. All right. Good. The smart money is selling in the higher time frame. So apparently, when you see a green volume, a shorter one, showing just after the red volume, okay, that is telling you that the retailers are buying off from the smart money, which is the institutional traders. They are buying off, okay, at higher prices. All right. And this will be a better confirmation when you see a bearish engulfing pattern. In other words, a green candle appears and then a red candle, a big red candle, you can see here. This is an engulfing pattern. You can see here a green candle and then a red candle appears, telling you that, hey man, we're dumping on you. So basically that is how to read with the volume indicator. So now I'm going to show you a quick hack. I showed you step 1 before. Observe the volume section here. Observe the volume section here. You can tell that the red is actually what? More than the green. So the sellers are more than the buyers right now. And the red volumes are higher than the green. So this is to tell you that there's a high selling pressure in the market at this point in time. All right. Smart money is dumping on the dumb money. So now let's go back. Now you can see here, this point here, this was where the institutional traders dumped on the dumb money. In other words, this was the exact point. You can see here these candles. You can see here we actually have a bullish pattern starting from here. So at this point here, see the red volume here, very big, okay, very huge, followed by another what? Red volume, telling you that the institutional traders are dumping. Okay, it was from this point that they came in, they stepped in, and then dumped the price on the dumb money, which is the retail traders now. Okay, so using this strategy is very simple. Figure out the exact point where you see a high volume range, okay, and go up here, check if the price action, if there's a rejection. If you see a long wick, meaning a rejection, know that demand is already exceeding supply and about to what? Turn around. Okay, know that demand is what? Exceeding supply. Okay, and it's about to turn around, meaning there's no more demand in the market again. Demand is already exceeding supply, you can see here, but there's a rejection here. So telling you there's a turnaround coming soon. So now let me plot my Bollinger Band and show you what I'm saying. You can see here from the Bollinger Band, the price was already what? Overbought. It's escaping out of the Bollinger Band at this point. So it's telling you the price is what? Overbought. The Bollinger Band has confirmed it. So you can see here from there, the price started what? Retracing downwards. Why? Because there was a huge selling pressure here, followed by another confirmation, which is what? This bearish pattern you are seeing here. All right, guys. So basically, that is how to use volume to trade consistently and make profit. So at this point, you take a sell position, you take a short position and sell. Okay, you can just put your stop loss a little bit above 94.60. Okay, and then take a short position downwards. You put your take profit at the end of the previous bullish candle. All right, you just put your take profit at this point here. All right, so guys, this is just one of my strategies. It's very exciting to have you here on this YouTube channel. Please kindly subscribe, put on your bell notification icon, tug it on, and then click on the like button. Do not forget to please share this video to others so that the algorithm can favor this video. Okay, if possible, just type on the comment section Binance futures trading. All right, so that we get along. So cheers guys, see you in the next video tomorrow.